Magbablog kami. Okay, prima di Sareviado, si Manja, Nicolo. Questi di Macdaikon. Okay, vediamo dopo ragazzi. With you, I've made my decision. We just arrived in Rosignano and we are good luck to our 1 kilometer walk here with you. No moment is wasted. See the sun now bursting through the clouds, black and white turns to color all around. All is new in the Savior I have found. This is living now. Ang mga item mo hindi na niluluto eh. Pero kung ano mo. Magandang umaga po. Today is August 24. At kami po ay na-stranded dito sa isla sa isla ng Rosignano. At ngayon po bumabagyo. Kitang-kita nyo naman po dito kulay gray. Dito naman po. Good news po, yung hangin papunta doon. Kaya hintayin po namin maubos yung mga ulat na nandito papunta. Dito malungkot, dito masaya. Pero okay na, masaya kami.
Maybe I ain't really know what living is. Is it love? If it was, am I living it? Do I live in it? So astounding. Love is an ocean, you can drown me. The sweet embrace, the lovely taste, I taste and see. I'm under grace, the place to be. It means I'll never need an umbrella. I'm cool in the cold, in the hot weather. Whether or never I ever understand, I'm a man in the hands of great plans. I stand with faith there in a life I never known to touch. And still outside my clutch, but I'm like, what's the dream of? What's the hope in? What's the doubt for? Live to no end. This is living. The life I've been given's a gift. If I'm a living, I'ma live it to death. So what's the dream of? What's the hope in? What's the doubt for? And live to no end. This is living. The life I've been given's a gift. If I'm a living, I'ma live it to death.